Are you struggling with shaving, and particularly in the dents and the divots between your neck and your clavicle? Well, I got some cool tips and tricks to show you how to get past those dents, dips, dodge, dives, ducks. Yeah. What's up, guys? My name is Scott with Life-Proof Grooming, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna go and shave between our clavicle or our collarbone and our divot in our neck. And those are some really tough places to shave, so I'm gonna show you how to shave it. So like anything, get out some shaving cream, and particularly some clear shaving gel from Volt. So let's give ourselves just a little bit, and we'll go ahead and apply it. Now make sure to rub in that shaving gel inside that clavicle and inside that neck, because what we're gonna do is we're gonna give that lubrication to that blade as we shave over it. Now that we're all prepped, ready to go, get your razor out, and here's where we're gonna start. Now, use your thumb or your finger. I like to use my thumb, and we're gonna raise up that neck area, and we're moving it from that bone. I actually wanna move this either down to give itself a flatter area, or we're gonna move it up. So it's just up to you. Now, what I like to do is just within this region, I'm actually gonna lift this up, and we're gonna shave it down. And then we can do this, if you do like to shave your chest, pull that down. And that way we have this nice clean area that we don't have to worry about nicks or cuts in this dent or divot right here. And it's the same with here within that neck. We'll start here next, okay? So we've got this shaved up just a little bit. Now I'm gonna go and pull this up to the left where we have a nice flat spot. And then I'm gonna do the same with this side. We're gonna pull it to the right. And moving that from that divot that we have right here, we can even pull it down to the left. If we need to pull right here where it comes down. Pull it up, and then we're gonna go ahead and shave down. So using your fingers and moving your skin just a little bit gives that shave a little more malleability. So including with your shaving gel and your aftershave, everything should come in really copacetically. And I give you guys a really strong recommendation. We're checking out these products. It's gonna very much help you guys in that achievement of a nice shave and a nice look. Like always, you guys, love you, and I will see you in the next video. See ya.